Most people get this wrong. They think posting a question on Reddit is complicated on mobile, but it's actually quite simple once you know the steps. Today, I'm showing you how to do it correctly. First, open the Reddit app on your phone and log in. Navigate to the subreddit where your question fits best. Make sure to read the rules. Some communities have specific guidelines for questions or require flares. Next, tap the Create Post button, usually a plus sign or pencil icon. Select Post as the type, then give your question a clear, descriptive title. In the body, provide any necessary details, context, or relevant information to help others answer. The more precise you are, the better responses you'll get. One surprising tip: use formatting sparingly. You can bold text or add bullet points, which makes your question easier to read on mobile. Once you're done, add any tags or flares required by the subreddit, then tap Post. Your question will appear immediately, and you can track responses in your notifications. If your post doesn't get attention, try engaging with the community by commenting on other posts or sharing more details in your own post. Reddit thrives on engagement, so being active increases your chances of helpful answers. In conclusion, asking a question on Reddit mobile is quick and easy. Choose the right subreddit, provide a clear title, add context, format neatly, and engage with the community. Follow these steps and you'll get the answers you need. Subscribe for more Reddit tips and mobile app guides to get the most out of your favorite platforms.